Bocopina, Bocopina, Bocopina. Missy Bocopina.
You look good, you look sexy, you look fresh. You what? How is she 34? Wait, what? How? Wow. Oh my god.
Everything, you know?
Oh my god. My face is so shiny because I just put something on it, but my skin is doing so good. So I already done my eyes, and I thought, why not do my makeup with you guys today? What do you guys think? So my skin is doing so well without makeup right now. I haven't worn makeup in a long time, about 3-4 days. Give my face a break. Alright, let's start by doing some foundation, I guess. Just let that seep into my skin a little bit. I put it on for about 10 minutes now and it's still shining. But I used my vitamin C serum here. Vitamin C is very good for your skin. It gives your skin that glow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how I do my everyday makeup. I done this video live on Instagram and it has some music in there, so I had to take out the music. So I hope you guys don't mind me doing a voiceover for the rest of the video. But today I'm going to do a nice quick makeup routine. I like doing makeup tutorials under 30 minutes because that's the actual time I do it in, but I forward this video a little bit for you guys so it'll be a bit quicker and not a 20-minute video. But I did this tutorial in 20 minutes on my Instagram. If you guys want to go ahead and watch that, you guys can click onto the link I'll leave below or just type my name in, Fit Goddess GG, and you will see all the stuff I post on my Instagram every day. But I'm gonna start off by using my Clinique foundation, and it's a foundation with the concealer, and I'm using Amber in this foundation and concealer is so good, guys. I really love it. Let me tell you, it just covers everything. And as you guys can see before, I'm not working with a lot of spots these days, or dark spots as I should say, but it does cover up quite a lot. And I didn't go in with any other concealer. I just used that today as my main foundation and concealer, and I'm glad that it's combined because it saves so much money, and it was only like £24 or probably less. But always look out for deals, guys, when you buy makeup, and you always find a bargain. I love to use my fingers to blend out my foundation sometimes. I find that it gives it a nice airbrush effect and it just makes everything looks uniformed. And I like to use this first, then I go in with a brush or a beauty blender afterwards. This is also a great way to correct any mistakes you've made, i.e. makeup, such as eye makeup, eyeliner, mascara. You know, you just kind of use your fingers. You can easily blend it out because it gives it precise finish, and I really like that, and it just melts everything instead of trying to work a damp beauty blender and just, you know, messing up the whole thing. You just use your fingers first and then go in with your favorite brush or beauty blender to just make everything look more uniformed and flawless. So I like to go around my edges, making sure that I do not get any product into my edges, and making sure that there's no difference between my skin and the foundation. I always like to use a foundation that's very matching to my skin, especially when I'm doing an everyday foundation routine. I don't want to be looking like I'm 2 shades lighter or 2 shades darker, so I always choose something that's really very close to my skin tone, and I use my beauty blender afterwards just to mesh everything together, as I was saying. But yeah, you always have to make sure your beauty blender is a little bit damp. I'm using a little bit of water today, and also my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and this helps just to keep that glow. And before I did all of this, I used a vitamin C serum by The Ordinary, which is helping to give that nice dewy effect, and I really like that at this time, especially now it's getting cold and your skin gets dry during the winter season. I always spend a little bit of time using bleach spender because I always like to make sure, even though it's an everyday makeup look, I always try to make sure it looks flawless and very uniform with my skin. That's one of the main important things for me when I'm doing my everyday routine. And my eye makeup right now is just a little bit of brown, a bit of red, and a little bit of orange, and I did this cute little autumny eye makeup look. You guys know I like autumn makeup. It's just one of those seasons that I get so inspired by flowers. I get inspired by everything around me. So now I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup just to set my under eye and my nose, under my nose where I sweat a lot. Even though I'm not using an additional concealer today, I'm still setting that foundation because this foundation gives a kind of a dewy effect. So if you leave it like that, your face will be a bit dewy, but I want it to be a bit set under my eyes and, as I said, my lips and my nose, because that's where I sweat the most. Many times people bake too much and they get that ghostly kind of look, especially when you take pictures. You do not want to have flashbacks and stuff, so always make sure that you have the right setting powder, and you want to not do it too long, you know, especially if you're a woman of color. You want to make sure that you only do it for a few minutes or seconds, if that. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX bronzing powder, and I use this sometimes, but I like to use it just to make my face get some definition back, some color back, and I also use it to brush off any excess makeup, like, you know, baking powder from the Sacha Buttercup. And I like to use that also to contour my little nose and these high cheeks. I really like using this because it's so subtle, but it does give a nice little definition and a little change to your face from applying all that makeup. I also contour my forehead a little bit, and I do this making sure that I do not get in my hairline. I do not like to contour my forehead too much. Yeah, I know I've got a 5 head but I only do a little bit. I also do a little bit under my cheekbones because my cheekbones are already high, but I really like the effect of it, and combining with this foundation, it just gives a nice natural look. And I did spend quite a while brushing everything out, blending everything together to making sure that, as I said before, it's all uniformed. This is just the basis of doing my makeup. I can do it quicker than 20 minutes, but I like to spend a few more minutes and a few more time blending that out and making sure that I look presentable to walk on the road, if you know what I mean. So after that, I'm going to go in with my Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to use two different highlighters today. I'm going to be using the Radiant, which is a brighter champagne gold color, and I'm going to use that to highlight my cheeks. And then I'm going to go in with French Toast, which is going to be highlighting my nose and a little bit on my forehead and my Cupid's bow. Under my eyebrows, on my brow bone, I'm going to be using a little bit of Radiant as well, and in my inner tear duct, just to give that nice pop to my face. This highlighter, this palette, this is such a great palette, guys. I'm telling you now, I've raved about it before, but I want you guys to go and try it. If you can't buy it, just go into the store, do some swatches, and then you make up your mind in store if you want to buy this palette. And it's with BH Cosmetics, if you guys didn't know, but it does make my, oh my gosh, it just gives a difference to my makeup. It just makes my makeup look so nice when it's naturally done and not too bright. And it comes with some nice eyeshadows as well, which you guys will really like if you like warm tones like I do. Can you guys see the glow? Look at that highlight. It is life. If I do not have anything else, I just give me a little bit of highlight. Just give me a little bit of that. I want the glow, honey. Any season, all 4 seasons. But this is the finished look. All I'm gonna do now is spray my face, and I'm using the LA Girls setting spray. I've just bought it the other day just to try it out, because I'm always using my NYX one, always using my Rebadescu or my Urban Decay, which I love. But I wanted to try something out that's more affordable that I can recommend for you guys as well, and I really like it. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. If you guys would like to see any more makeup tutorials, please make sure you comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram. I go live randomly sometimes, just do my makeup and different things and stuff, so make sure you follow me on there. But yeah, next is just the lips. I'm just gonna finish off the lips, and that's it for the video. Make sure you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in another one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. So I'm going to make the lips more of a nude color by adding this Beauty Glaze trio. It's not a trio actually, it's about 5 lipsticks, that I got in the set. And they are very good for the price. I'm loving it. This is the look I went for. Is a lighter color, and I think it works very well for a natural look. The look before was a lipstick by Revlon, and it was a nice purpley brown lipstick. I'll make sure to put the name and the link below for you guys to try it out. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Love.